Artificial intelligence and machine learning are changing our lives, whether we realize it or not. More importantly, the nation that will lead in this field will control the world. There wouldn't be any ability for humans to compete or even keep up. When we put AI on jets for dogfight simulations, our best Air Force pilots lost every single time. So today, let's take a look at GPT, the Generative Pre-training Transformer. So what is GPT and how does it work? GPT is a type of artificial intelligence model that uses machine learning techniques to generate human-like text. It does this by pre-training a large transformer model on a massive dataset of text, such as books or articles, and then fine-tuning it for specific tasks, such as translation or language modeling. The transformer model is a type of neural network that uses self-attention mechanisms to process input data and generate output. It's called a generative model because it can generate new text that is similar in style and content to the text it was trained on. So what are some of the possible uses for GPT? One use for GPT is language translation. By fine-tuning a GPT model on a large dataset of translated text, it can learn to translate text from one language to another. Another use for GPT is language modeling, which involves predicting the next word in a sentence based on the words that come before it. This can be used for useful tasks such as spell checking and autocomplete. GPT can also be used for text generation, such as generating news article or social media posts. It can even be used to generate code, which could potentially save time and resources for developers. So let's take a look at two examples of GPT in action. The first example is OpenAI's GPT-3, a state-of-the-art version of GPT that's capable of generating human-like text in a variety of languages. One use case for GPT-3 is in natural language processing, where it can be used to understand and respond to human written text in a conversational manner. The second example is a company called Artikulu, which uses GPT to generate news article. By feeding GPT a headline and some basic information, it can generate a fully fleshed out news article that's coherent and flows naturally. This can save time and effort for journalists and news organizations, allowing them to produce more content in a shorter amount of time. So what are the benefits of using GPT? One of the benefits of GPT is its ability to generate human-like text, which can be useful for tasks that require a high level of fluency and coherence. It can be more efficient than manually creating large amount of text, such as translation or language modeling tasks. However, there are potential drawbacks to using GPT. One concern is the risk of biased or misleading output, as the model is only as good as the data it was trained on. It's important to carefully consider the quality and diversity of the training data to avoid producing biased or inaccurate results. Additionally, GPT is a large and complex model that requires significant computational resources to train and fine-tune. This can be a challenge for organizations with limited resources or for individuals looking to use GPT for personal projects. Overall, GPT is a powerful tool for generating human-like text and has many potential uses in a variety of industries. However, it's important to carefully consider the potential biases and limitations of the model, as well as the resources required to train and fine-tune it. There you have it. GPT and future equivalent capabilities are game-changing to potentially accelerate and even replace existing work in many fields, potentially disrupting entire industries. Funny enough, this entire video script was actually generated by ChatGPT from OpenAI, and all I'm doing really is reading the script to you. I'm a pretty face. Amazing? Scary? I'll let you comment and decide. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our Learn with Nick videos.